We had the breezy evening. That's just about over. Thunderstorms arriving later on Saturday, cooler weather on Sunday. And here is a result of the breezy conditions. The warming trend continues. Look at this as we approach midnight. Still 70 at the beach where the springing in the blues probably just about now coming to an end for tonight anyhow. 72 degrees on the river. The coolest is 59. A more interesting forecasting tool, though, is looking at the dew points. And the dew points continue to rise now into the lower 60s in some location. If those dew points make it into the middle and upper 60s tomorrow, that could fuel some pretty strong, possibly severe thunderstorms. Quiet now locally, although we're already beginning to see some showers spread through the Florida Panhandle, even now into western Georgia. And it's been a very rough afternoon and evening, and this is a rough line of thunderstorms. It has produced tornadoes, is now producing tornadoes into Mississippi, although a lot of the energy is going from west to east. Notice this line has certainly become a solid line, so we call it a squall line of damaging thunderstorms, and it's working off to the east and to the southeast. So while we hopefully sleep tonight, that is, if you want to sleep tonight, these storms will continue the march. Now, they're still going to be well west of us. Notice even pre-dawn hours, they'll just be approaching the Florida Panhandle, but that's what we as forecasters will be watching tomorrow. It probably won't be quite as strong, but still certainly could pack a punch. It's going to bring in the showers. It will bring in some thunderstorms. I think the big question is, will any of the thunderstorms actually produce wind gusting to about 50 miles per hour or more? But of course, thunder implies lightning, and anytime you have lightning, that is dangerous. This is all being triggered by a cold front, and that's why once it passes, the rains will settle to the south on Sunday, but that's why we, of course, will be cooler on Sunday, and there's another weather system on its heels for early in the week. So if you're going to be doing some salt life action, you need to define what that is. We're going all the way up to 85 degrees. Could be some showers before noon, but the main concern for me, the thunderstorms. So make sure you're aware of what's coming at you from the west by 2 p.m. Same thing overland, officially looking for 84, but let's break it down for you. Out around the Okefenokee, you may see some showers as early as 10 a.m., storms between about 2 and 7, just a little bit later for Nassau, Camden, and Glenn. Earlier out toward the Suwannee, Clay and Bradford, pretty similar to the Jacksonville metropolitan area. But notice for St. John's and Flagler, some of those thunderstorms may linger to as long as 3 in the morning on Sunday. And we could see an even more widespread soaker later Monday into Tuesday.